Good morning, children. Welcome to social class. What did you learn in the previous class? Yes, we have learned about the freedom fighter Subramania Bharatiya. Now let us recall. Subramani Bharati was a poet and a freedom fighter of Tamil Nadu. He was born in a village called Ettayapuram in Tuticorin district. He started writing poems at the age of 7. He became the assistant editor of the Swadeshamitran newspaper in 1904. He met Mahatma Gandhi in 1919. He worked with Tamil leaders like V.O. Chidambaram and Subramania Siva. Bharati's poems are Vande Mataram, Achamillai, Endayum Thayum, Jaya Bharatam. Children, there is a playground near our school. Do you know what is the name of that ground? Yes, VOC ground. What is the full form of VOC? V.O. Chidambaram. He is one of the freedom fighter. Today we are going to learn about another freedom fighter, V.O. Chidambaram. VOC Mallinayagam Ulaganathan Chidambaram. Where was he born? He was born in Tuticorin. He was a lawyer and a good orator. Orator means a person who is good at making public speeches. What was his contribution in the freedom struggle? He took part in the independence movement. In the year 1915, Mahatma Gandhi was visiting Chennai. One man from Tirunelveli was eager to meet him and wanted a private meeting. That man was none other than V.O. Chidambaram. V.O. Chidambaram was influenced by Swami Vivekananda to do something for India and met the great poet Subramania Bharatiya, who became his very close friend. He worked as a clerk for some time. He passed his law exam in 1894. He took part in the independence movement. He was the first Indian who started a shipping company in India. Who started the first Indian shipping company? V.O. Chidambaram started the first Indian shipping company. That is called Swadeshi Shipping Company. He floated his Swadeshi Shipping Corporation, which ran 2 ships shifting people between Tuticorin and Colombo against British people. It was started in 1906. He joined the Indian National Congress. Many people started to follow him, which worried the British people. Hence, the British sent V.O. Chidambaram to jail. He was in the central prison at Coimbatore. V.O. Chidambaram spent most of his jail life in Coimbatore Central Jail. Due to the torturous sufferings in the prison, he was growing weaker day by day. While he was struggling for life, the jail superintendent ordered him to do labor. He was made to draw oil press like a beast with feathers on his hands and legs. Beast means an animal. Fetters means a pair of chains that were tied around the legs of prisoners. VOC was made to draw oil press like a beast with fetters on his hands and legs. He was made to work in the hot sun and beaten up. The hard labor and the torture he suffered in prison took a toll on his health. He was growing weaker day by day. V.O. Chidambaram was also called Kappalottiya Tamilan. Finally, on November 18, 1936, V.O. Chidambaram passed away. However, he lives in the hearts of Tamil people as Kappalottiya Tamilan and Chekkuluthu Chemmal, the great man who pulled the oil press for the sake of his people. His statues are there in Chennai, Tirunelveli and Tuticorin. Now we are going to learn about another freedom fighter, Chembagaraman. He was born in Trandram. He was born in an average middle class family. He received his primary and high school education in Trandram. During his school days, he met a British biologist, Sir Walter Strickland, who took him to Austria. Chembagaraman completed his schooling in Austria. Though he was brought up in a foreign land, he was still patriotic. Chembagaraman established an organization called International Pro-India Committee at Zurich before the outbreak of the World War I. During this war, Chembagaraman intensified his revolutionary ideologies. Intensified means to make something stronger. Revolutionary means very new and different. Ideology means a collection of ideas. He also joined the Indian Independence Committee in Berlin. He coined the slogan Jai Hind, which is used till today. He was South India's boss and Jai Hind's father. Chembagaraman was one of the greatest Indian revolutionaries who brought glory to our motherland. He was one of the heroes and patriots who went abroad and formed his own army to fight for India's freedom from British. Though he brought up in a foreign land, and he dedicated his entire life fighting for the freedom of India. He coined the slogan Jai Hind, which is used till today. The freedom we enjoy today was born out of the sacrifices and sufferings of such great men. Children, today we have learned about the freedom fighters V.O. Chidambaram and Chembagaraman. Now let us recap the lesson. V.O. Chidambaram is also known as Kappalottiya Tamilan. He was born in Tuticorin. V.O. Chidambaram started the Swadeshi shipping company between Tuticorin and Colombo. Chembagaraman established International Pro-India Committee at Zurich. He joined the Indian Independence Committee in Berlin. He coined the slogan Jai Hind. Write about Swadeshi Steam Shipping Company. P.O. Chidambaram started Swadeshi Steam Shipping Company between Tuticorin and Colombo. Children, you have not received the books yet, so study carefully with this recap. Thank you, children.